Hi, everyone. So you're welcome to Dr. Vima's Life Challenge. All right. So our first question is, this question, we started from question number 13 because we stopped on our TikTok at question number 12. So we continue from here. Okay. Thank you, Sule. So please, if you join us here, tell me your name you can tell me your name on TikTok so I know those who followed. Thank you so much. Please remember to like the live section. Very important. Okay. So the first person is Sule, says 3/5 or 16 over 6/10. So they are the same thing. Let's go with 2/5. 3/5. All right. Sule, please, can you help us like the live section? And can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, let me know, because last live I did, someone said they weren't hearing me. Okay, so let me quickly solve this. So the solution is in law of surd, or some people call it radical. Okay. If you're given surd of P all over Q is equals to surd of P all over surd of Q. So we are going to apply it here. So root 36/100 is equals to root 36 all over root 100. So root 36 is 6, all over root 100 is 10, and that is equal to 3/5. So you're very correct. Thank you. So let's solve number 14. On number 14, we are given x plus 3 all squared is equal to 36. X is equal to what? So please solve this, drop your answer. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up, give us a like. All right, if you're enjoying the live class. So solve this and drop your answer. If you're following us from YouTube, TikTok, please tell me your name, where you're watching, what's your name on TikTok. If you drop your name, I will remember. Okay, thank you, Sule. Sule says, says X is 3. All right, more answers, please. Remember to help us like the live section. Share it to Facebook. You can share it to Facebook. You can share it to your YouTube. We appreciate that. Please give us a like. We have 15 persons watching. Please give us a like this live section. All right. More answers, please. Okay, let me solve this. This is quite easy too. We have we have x plus 3 equal to all squared equal to 36. Now to remove this square, we take square root of both sides. All right. This square will cancel the square root, and we have x plus 3 equal to square root of 36 is 6. So x equals to 6 minus 3. This plus will cross to become minus, and our x is 3. So cheers to Sule. Sule, you got it correctly. Okay. So that is how easy it is to solve this. So let's do another simple math question. What is the next number? What is the next number in the sequence? What is the next number in the sequence? We have 2, we have 4, we have 8, we have 16. So what is the next number in the sequence? What is the next number in the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16? What is the next number in the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16? So 32. All right, Sule says 32. Please, others, can you please contribute? I'm trying to ask as a question that's as simple as possible. So I want you to contribute, all right? If I try so many questions, I'm just trying to know what kind of question you like so that I can know what to be setting, all right? So please support us. Let it not be one person answering, okay? So support us. Let it not be just one person answering. What is the next number in the sequence? 2, 4, 8, 16. What is the next number, please? So let me just solve it now. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2. Jesus. Jesus. Sorry for that, please. Sorry for that. Hello. So let me solve this. Hi, Leonard. You're welcome. Thank you for joining us here. Yeah, thank you for joining us. Thank you for your support. All right. I appreciate you guys a lot. So please let me continue. I didn't know, just someone called my phone, so it disconnected my network, and I've been trying to get it back. Thank God it's finally back. All right. So we are multiplying by 2. So 16 times 2 will give us 32. So Sule is very correct. So cheers to you, Sule. Thank you for solving it correctly. Then this is question number 15 already. So go to question number 16. So thank you for joining us. Please, if you joined us, kindly help me like the live section. All right, support us with a like. Now, this is Maths Challenge with Dr. V Maths. We are, one thing about challenges, if you can solve challenges, that means you know it is a part of learning too. So if you see anything and you can solve it, please solve it and drop your answer. When we make corrections, even if you don't know the actual answer, whether what you solved is correct, help us solve it. We will correct you. If you're not, if you are, we'll let you know. So please, question number 6 says 81 is equal to 3 raised to the power x. X is equal to what? Please tell me what x is in the comment section. All right. So we started this class by 5 minutes after 11. 11:05. So this class will end by 12:35. It's 1 hour 30 minutes class. Please support us by typing. Okay, thank you, Sule. Sule says 4. More answers. All right. I believe you can solve this. Drop your answers, okay? More answers, please. More answers. All right. So let me solve. Thank you, Leonard. Please, we want more answers. Leonard, please stop removing your message. Retracted. Are you removing the message yourself or the system is doing that? Please, if you're removing it yourself, just leave it there. All right. Please don't always remove the question. So let me solve. So you have 81 is equal to 3x. Now 81 is equal to 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 3 times 3. So that is 9 is 3 square plus. So this is 3 square multiplied by 3 square, and that is addition here. So this is 3 into 4. So our 3x is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. X is equal to 4. All right. That is the solution to the question. X is equal to 4. Okay. Then on question number 17. Question number 17 says, eight plus 8 plus 8 times 0 all over 8 is equal to what? 8 plus 8 plus 8 times 8 is equal to what? Eight plus 8 plus 8. Okay. Sule said 2. So more answers, please. More answers, please. Okay. Cent 0. More answers, please. All right, let me solve it. Okay. Solution. Now we are going to apply, we have 8 plus 8 plus 8 times 8 times 0 all over 8. So we are going to apply BODMAS, okay? BODMAS, and some people call it PEMDAS, okay? Now B for bracket, O for order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, okay? So here we are going to, in this place, we will multiply before adding. So multiply before adding. You don't add and multiply. So that is 8 plus 8 plus 0 all over 8. And this equals to 16 divided by 8. And the answer is 2. Okay. The answer to this question is 2. So Sule is correct. So Sule, cheers to you. Cheers to you, Sule. Sule, thank you for supporting. I appreciate you a lot. Then question number 18. So Saint, please, you've seen the correct solution. Okay, so please take note of the correct solution. Then we have 1, 1, 1. This is a math reasoning. Sorry, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, and we have 1, 1, 7. This is math reasoning, IQ test, IQ challenge. Okay, this is 13, and this is 24, and this is 35. This is 46. So what is this? What is the solution to what? 117 is equal to what? All right, so this is IQ test. Please keep helping us to like the like section. Share the like section for us, please. Share it for us. Share it for us. Share it for us. Share the like section for us. We are solving question number 18. Share the like section for us and give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the class. Give it a like. Okay, so let me solve it. Now, see what we are doing here. You first pick this number here. Okay, that is 3. You now do 1 plus 1 plus 1. If you pick this number here, that is 1. You do 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So that is 13. We pick this number here, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Or that is how we get that. You pick this number 3, you write 3. You now add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, that is just what you are doing. You pick this number here, you write 4. Okay, so thank you, Sule. Sule said 79. Sule 79. Okay, so you add 1 plus 2. Sule got it correctly. So Sule, please cheers to you. Okay. Then we clap for the person that solved this correctly, since we can use their cheers effect. So this is question number 19. Yes, 8 whole number 2/8 times 8 is equal to what? 8 whole number 2/8 is equal to what? 8 whole number 2/8 is equal to what? So to solve this, we just convert to, okay, Sule said Sule 128. Okay, so more answers. Try. There's no harm in trying. You're good. Let me solve this first. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 2 is 66 all over 8, which is the denominator, times 8. Oh, no, Sule. 8 will just cancel 8 here, and we have 66. All right, the answer is 66. No problem, no problem. I don't have problem with you, Sule. I'm even happy that you're supporting me. So thank you for your support. Okay, so we have, let me solve it for you again so that you see how I do it. 8 whole number 2/8 times 8. This is mixed fraction. So first of all, we convert it to improper fraction. We do 8 times 8 will give us 64. Now 64 plus 2 will give us 66 all over the denominator, which is 8 times 8. Okay, 8 will cancel itself, and we have 66. So the answer is 66. Okay, so please, let's go. So question number 20. All right, 20 is equal to 10. Thank you, Sule. A minus B 10. AB, that is A times B, is equal to what? Is equal to 10. A minus B is equal to 10. Let's see. So to solve this also is easy. Let me just solve it. All right. Now here we have A plus B is equal to 10. Here, A minus B is equal to 10, okay? So we have plus B and minus B. If we add, this place will clear, all right? So we add the two equations, all right? We add the two equations. When we add, okay, Sule, yes, Sule, 0, all right? Good. So we add, A plus A will give us 2A. This place will clear. 10 plus 10 will give us 20. We divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 cancel, and our A is equal to 10. So A is 10. If you substitute it here, we have A, that is 10 plus B equal to 10. So we have B is equal to 10. When this positive 10 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative. That is 10 minus 10. Our B is 0. So our A times B is equals to 10 times 0. And therefore our answer is 0. So this is from this question we just solved now is from simultaneous equation. Okay, so it's from simultaneous equation. That is why I said if you join us, you can learn so many things. Instead of teaching one particular topic, I would still do that. I have a plan of teaching on daily basis on YouTube. Just that, you know, as a beginner, as a starter in this field, is a bit difficult for me. The finances is too much. The phone capacity is not there, because to be doing that, at least I need like 2 phones. Once you finish, like this one now, my battery is 52%. By the time you do this live, I start from TikTok, I'm here. Before you know, I'll go to your Facebook. At the end of the day, before you finish, your battery is off. So if I can get correct battery and all that, it will help me out. But small will grow, sha. So let's do something similar. A plus A is equals to 10. B plus B is equal to 20. A times B is equal to what? So I expect to see 9 answers here. I expect everybody to answer this. I want to solve something that is easy. So please solve. Let's see. All right, please solve. Let's see. If you're watching us, give us a thumbs up. You can like the live section, please. Then help us share it. Okay. So Sule says 50. Beke says 15. Please, more answers. More answers. Okay, Beke says 50. All right. More answers, please. Give us more answers. Give us more answers. All right. We are having 11 persons watching. Please give us 11 likes. We need 6 more likes or more, because I know some people were here earlier. Please give us more likes. Let's see. Like the live section. Okay. Share it. Share it if you can. So let me quickly solve. This is easy. A plus A is equals to 10. All right, let me just solve it mathematically. So you see, A plus A is 2A is equals to 10. All right. Kelana, thank you for joining. Let me write it. K, I'll just write K. So K, Kelana, I'm talking about you, please. K, 50. All right. So divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 divide itself. A is equals to 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the same thing B plus B is 2B equal to 20. Okay, I should write kissing. Okay, no problem. If you solve another one, I'll just do that. Okay. So B is equals to 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. So A times B is equal to 5 times 10. So that is 50. Okay. So cheers to all of you. To Sule, cheers to you. To Beke, cheers to you. And to Kissing, thank you so much for solving. I appreciate you guys a lot. So let's solve the next question. So I don't know where we are. Okay. Let me check the number we stopped. Okay, this is 21. The one we just solved now is 21. So we are heading to question 22. So on question 22, solve this. 2 times 5 divided by 2 times 5 is equal to what? Can you do, my brother? His name is Jackson and he wants 50. Okay. You're trying to say that your brother Jackson answered 50, right? Is that what you're saying? So please solve this. Solve this. This is the next question. Solve this. Okay. Shanalu. Please bear with me if the name is not properly called, but I'll write it properly. Okay. Thank you for solving. Says 1. All right. More answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. Beke. Okay. 1. She has breathtakingly beautiful fingers, and her Indian voice is ice cream to my ears. Who? Please, more answers. And please, if you've not liked the live section, please help us like the live section. Share it for us. Okay? Thank you. She has breathtakingly beautiful fingers. Could it be this my ugly fingers? All right. So you said 0. Okay. Bill. I'll just write Bill. Bill Desmith. I'll say Bill 0. Okay. More answers, please. More answers. More answers. We need more answers. Okay. 25 maybe. All right. 25 maybe. So look at the two of them. Okay, you're saying or. Let me just write it here, 25, but you have to give us a final answer. Okay. You know, one math question cannot have two answers, all right, unless it's quadratic equation. So you have to finalize and give me one answer. So more answers. All right, let me solve it. It's very easy. So the question we are solving says 2 times 5 divided by 2 times 5. Okay. So remember, we are going to use BODMAS or PEMDAS, depending on where you're watching from. All right. So this is brackets, this is order, division, multiplication. They are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. Okay. Thank you. So this is addition and subtraction on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. This is parentheses. This is exponents. Multiplication and division, they're on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. So start from here. So we apply division and multiplication that are on the same level. We apply the one that comes first from left to right. So here, multiplication came first. So multiply first. So 2 times 5 is 10 divided by 2 times 5. So the next thing that came first is division. We divide. So we have 5 times 5. And the answer is 5 times 5 is 25. So that is the answer. All right. Thank you, Kasim. Fingers are perfect. You are genius. Gosh, thank you, Bill. God bless you. Sule, Professor, I'm going to be my baby mama soon. Really? That would be interesting. Hope you'll like this live section. Please like the live section. Help us share it. Please, everybody, help us share the live section, okay? Thank you so much. Then we solve question number 23. Hope you've seen the correct solution to the question, okay? Now, let me show you something. This question can only be 1 if it's written as, if you have brackets of 2 times 5 okay, divided by bracket of 2 times 5. Only when you have this, okay, is when you can get the answer to be 1. Because in this case, you do the bracket first, and this is 10 divided by 10, and to give us 1, except only if you're giving this. If you're not if the numbers are not in brackets, you apply the one that comes first. All right, and we get to 25. So please note that hit like and subscribe button. Please and please, thank you, Bill, for that soft reminder. Please help me hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. All right, so we have question number 23. So our question number 23 is going to be we have this going to be math reasoning. We have 601, we have 602, we have 603, we have 604, and we have 605. Okay, so it's math reasoning. You're going to find a way around my answers and give me the correct answer to the last question. So if I say here is 60, here is 120, here is 180, and here is 240. Now tell me what here will be. All right. So solve it and let me know what your answer will be here. I love your videos. Thank you, Kissing. God bless you. Same number X, same number 0. How 1? I say something. Let me pick another paper as you are solving this. So solve this. This is where we are now. We are solving question number 23. But let me show you something for the person asking extra question. Okay. Now the question we solved earlier, we have something like this. I think 2 times 5 divided by 2 times 5. So the first answer says Bill says, okay, let me pick pen. Bill 320, Beke 300, Bill 300, Bill 300. Okay, so let me leave it there. Okay, then the previous question we are talking about. Okay, sorry, Sule answered first. Sule says 300. Sule 300. That's his first answer. So let me show you what I'm saying here. This, when solving this, you're going to apply BODMAS. Always know that multiplication and division, they're on the same level. You apply one that comes from left. This is left to right. So you start from the first one here. This is multiplication and division. They are the same thing. So you multiply here first. After that, you now divide. After that, you subtract. You now multiply again. Now I'm telling you that most of people said 1. Most of the answers, yes, Becker is a very smart person. All her answers are correct. All right. So please, if you're joining us for the first time, this is the question we are solving. All right. Please help us solve. Drop your answer and I'll write it down. All right. Then the answer can be 1 only if we have brackets here. Because when we have brackets, if we have to apply BODMAS, we first apply the one on brackets. So this is bracket or parenthesis if it's pendants. Then we apply parenthesis first. That is this. Then we solve here. We have 10 divided by 10. Only when you have something like this, that the answer will be equal to 1. If it's not like this, you're going to do it like I said. Okay. So let's go to the point. This is where we are. So let's solve this, please. Now, this is 60. This is 1. 60 times 1 will give us 60. This is 60. This is 2. 60 times 2 will give us 120. And 60 times 3 will give us 180. 60 times 4 will give us 240. And 60 times 5 will give us 300. So, Sule, Bill, Becker, you guys are all correct. That is correct answer to the question. Okay. So the correct answer to the question is 300. And all of you are absolutely correct. So thank you for solving. I appreciate you guys a lot. Okay. So let's go on. Let's solve this simple math. 24. This one is simple. I'm sure you can solve it. 1/8 divided by 1 over 8. Yes, brackets and parentheses, they are the same thing. All right, they are the same. All over 1 over 8 is equal to what? All right, this is the final question, Bill. So this is the final question. Build that smart. So solve the final question. Let's see. Please, I don't know, in like, on Facebook, you can be tapping the like button. I don't know if it's the same thing here. Can you do that on YouTube? If yes, because I saw sometime there was a bubble of 100 I saw coming up and all that. If you can tap for me, please. Let's see whether it will it's going to make us get more people to watch. Please help us tap on the live section. I don't know, help us, like, there's a love button I used to see in people's life. I used to join. If you join that lesson, you see a love button where you can be tapping, and then the bubbles will be coming up for the people so that they can be going, which there can be more distribution for them. So please solve this. I'm waiting for final answer. Bill says 1. More answers, please. Let's go. So let me solve this, please. 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 8 will give us 1. And that one will be all over 1 over 8, okay? So this is equal to, we have 1 there. All right. King Jaden, thank you for joining. All right. So we have 1 here. Then this one, now this is division, you remember? Okay, let me just write it like this. This can be written as 1 divided by 1 over 8. Okay, that is what this thing is. 1 divided by 1 over 8. So this is equals to 1. You change this to multiplication and flip the fraction. 8 will go up, 1 will come down. All right, that is 8 over 1. So 8 times 8 is 8 all over 1. So 8 divided by 1 is 8. So the answer to this question is 8. Okay. Oh, so that is how you do it. Meanwhile, please, can you tell me where you are watching from? I was close. Yeah, very close. Very close. So please tell me where you're watching from. Tell me where you are watching from. Yeah. Tell me where you're watching from. So let's continue. Let me know where you're watching from. Then we can continue. Okay. So let me say Jamaica. All right. Nice to meet you. So go to this is question number 24. So go to question number 25. Please help me on to engage on this live section. The more engagement you get, the more viral it will go. You can help me share the live section. Help me hit the like button. Okay, help me hit the like button. All right. So please solve this. We have 2 raised to power x is equals to 64. X is equal to what? We have 2 raised to power x is equal to 64. X is equal to what? This is the work we did last year. Okay. You mean in your school or where? Okay. Bill is watching from Michigan. Bill, thank you for watching. Okay, so we are answering already. King, I'll just say King. King says 2 and Bill 8. I said 2. Oh yes, I've written 2. That is it. You are King. We did this work next year. You did this work next year or last year. King Jadin, did you do this work this year or last year? Yes, because I'm the king of maths. Wow, that's amazing. You're doing great. We did it next year. Oh, okay. Amazing. So King, have you liked our live section? Please help us to like if you've not. Please kindly like this live section so that we can continue. So let me solve this. All right, solution. All right, solution. Good. How do I like 32? Maybe Bill say 32. Bill, let's check. All right, what's yes, I know the work good well. Good. Becker says Becker 6. All right, so let's solve this. This is how we're going to do it. So we are going to the fact is that we are going to find a way to make this 6 to be of base 2. So that is in how many numbers, in how many places are we going to multiply 6 and multiply 2 to give us 64? All right. So we start by 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. 8, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Fine. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we say 2x is equals to 2 raised to power 6. Okay, so that is how you do it. Now the base are the same. We equate their powers. X is equals to 6. So the answer to this question is x equal to 6. So cheers to Becker. Becker, cheers to you. You got this correct. All right. King J. King, why did you say King of Mathematics? Why did you say the answer is wrong? The answer is you did it wrong. I did not. That is how you do it. All right. This is from exponential equation. Have you heard of exponential equation before, King Jadin? Have you heard of exponential equation before? Have you heard of it? So let me solve the next question. So this is another IQ challenge. IQ challenge, or you call it IQ test. I told that Becker is very good. She's exceptionally good. All right. IQ test. Okay. So you're going to figure out how I got the solutions and give me yours for the number. So we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. Okay. We have 11, 80, 63, 48. So 4 will give us what? What grade is this? Like I said, is it exponential? Exponential is high school maths. It's from secondary school. This smells like maths. Of course, this is maths challenge. This is maths. So solve it. K. Okay. Please, can you answer this question? And please, if you've not liked the live section, help us like the live section. All right. Help us like the live section. Okay. Help us like the live section. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. How do I like? If you look at the up part of the, just look for thumbnail anywhere around this live section and click on it. Okay. So my own is showing at the top where you're seeing live 45 minutes. I like the work. Good job. Thank you, Jay King, King of Maths. All right. So, okay, Bill, you've answered. All right, good. So Bill says 42. Bill, 42. Please, more answers. More answers. Bill says 42. Please kindly subscribe to our channel too. I said 32. Okay, King 32. 32. So more answers. Bill 44. Okay, let me check. Bill, you say 44. Okay. So let me show you. Let me solve it. Okay. You see, Becky is googling. No, she's not. I don't think she is. I don't think she is. So let me solve this. So this is 9 times. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, I mean, this is 99. Don't mind me. This is 99. This is 99. So if you want to try again, let me give you a chance. I made a mistake. That is 99, not 11. 99. Ah, yes, that is 99. Because the procedure of getting that is multiplied by 11. So I just had that multiplication in my mind, 11. That's why I wrote it. So that is 99. Must I restart? Yes, you can restart if you want to. If you feel your answer is okay, you can leave it. If you don't want to, you can leave it there. So what did I do here? This is you see. No, see what I did. This is 9 times 11 is 99. So not gonna lie, this is confusing, but I think it's 35. All right. So Becky says 35. So I'm going to show you 35. All right. So this is 9 times 11 will give us 99. 8 times 10 will give us 80. 7 times 9. You see the multiplication is decreasing by 1. It will give us 63. This is 6 times 8 will give us 64. Now, after 6, we will now have 5. If you count in number count, if after 6 you have 5, so this is times 8. So our 5 is going to be times 7. Our 4 will be times 6. Okay? So what we have there is 4 times 6. So 4 times 6 is 4 times 6 is 24. I think it's 24. 4 times 6 is 24 and not 28. 4 times 7 is 28, but 4 times 6 is 24. So the answer is 24. All right. So that is how easy it is. It's a bit confusing, you know. Let's try something else that will be very easy for everybody. Okay. So let's do this. We have bracket. This is question number. Thank you, Veke. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting. So let's do something else. You're adding numbers here. I'm not adding numbers, but the fact is that when you're solving this, you have to consider that those numbers that are not available. Then you now put this one. Now this is 98765 You see 5 before 4, so you have to consider 5 before solving 4. All right. If you don't do that, you'll not get the right answer. Then the next question, I don't even know where we are. This is question number 24, 25, 26. So we're at question number 27. So I'm going to ask you a very simple question, question number 27. Okay. We have 27 divided by 3. Okay. In brackets, divided by 27 divided by 9. So this is equal to what? Solve this. Can we do calculus and derivative? Okay. That's what you want. After this, we'll do calculus. Just one calculus, derivative, and all that. We do just one. You know, derivative is okay. Becky says 3. More answers. Yes, see the love bubbles I've been talking about. I know it was possible, so please give us that love click. But I was thinking maybe it's for only. Really? Becky copied. Okay. You copied Becky, Bill. I think Becky wrote it first. It's 3, yes. King says 3. Okay. So these people are solving too fast. Really? Okay. Oh. So let's go. We know, like I said, in parentheses, PEMDAS and BODMAS. So we solve the one that is in the bracket first, BODMAS. We solve the one that is in the bracket first. So we solve here first. And we have 27 divided by 3 is 9. And we put a division sign. 27 divided by 9 is 3. That is 3 divided by 9 divided by 3 and it's 3. So all of you got this one absolutely correct. They are using something. They're not using anything. It's easy. Math is easy. Don't mind anything. Those things are trying to, okay, let's solve this. 5m is equal to 55. All right. M plus 7 is equal to what? This is question number 28. 5m is equal to 55. M plus 7 is equal to what? So drop your answer. Let's see. This one is easy, right? So easy. These are all simple. Copied me to King, copied me to. They are jealous because we are dating. Oh my God. Please calm down. Calm down, Bill. Bill, please calm down. Slow down. You're running so fast. Veke says 18. King 10. Bill 18. Bill 18. All right. Some more questions. Okay, so let me solve. So we know this is 5m equals to 55. So to take care of, make m the subject of the formula, we divide by 5. All right. 5 will divide by 5 to give us m is equals to 55 divided by 5 will give us 11. So m plus 7 is 11 plus 7. And that is equals to 18. All right. So the correct answer is 18. So Becker got it right first and Bill second. 18 first, but internet is slow. What? No, it's 11. All right. So King of Maths, tell me how it is 11. So cheers to Becker. Becker, please, thank you for solving it correctly. Bill, King, you said no, the answer is 10. Bill, tell me how. Wait, no, it's 11. That is 11. M is 11. All right, M is 11, fine. But the question says M plus 7 is equal to what? So M plus 7 is 11 plus 7, and that is 18. Okay, so that's the solution to the question. Have you seen it? So let's go to question number 29. So please, this is Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. If you're joining us, please join the challenge. Let's go. Very soon we'll start our full-time classes. So let's do one more question. I don't know what to do. Should I do something easy or difficult or that? Okay, let's do this. Not too difficult, not too easy, but it's good. It's very easy. Can solve it. So I have minus 6 plus 6 minus 3 square is equal to what? So we have minus 6 plus 6 minus 3 square is equal to what? There's this like button that brings up bubbles. Please, when you click on it, watch it. When you click on it, see that more people are joining. Help me keep tapping on it. All right. I can't see it here. If I can see it, I would be tapping it by myself. Okay, doctor, it's so beautiful, especially when they are generous. All right, thank you. So Becker, yeah, that is what I'm saying. Please keep it going. All right, Bill said 9. You see it, watch it. More people are joining. So please keep tapping on it so that more people will keep joining us. So please, this is Life Challenge with Dr. Vivian. If you're just joining us, this math question is supposed to be answered. If you feel you can solve it, just solve it and drop your answer and we are good. All right. So more answers. King, I've not seen your answer. King, solve. Let me see. Okay, King, 5.4. King, you're too much. 5.4. Beseech, keep copying off my paper. God. Bill, calm down. All right, let me solve this. Okay, so we have -6 plus 6 minus 3 square. All right, so let's start from here. So this is -6 plus 6 minus 3 square is 9. So minus plus 6 will go off, and this is equals to -9. So you see the answer? The answer is -9. Did you see what I did? This is -6 plus 6 minus 3 square is 9. -6 plus 6 will give us 0. And this is -9. So the answer is -9. Bitch, and you are working together on video call. I can smell it. Oh my God. King, please calm down. You're the king of mathematics. Calm down. Okay. So let's solve this simple math again. You say we should do okay, you say we should do calculus. Already something. So we are given f of x equals to x raised to the power 5 plus 3 raised to the power 3x square. Okay, then f prime of 2 is equal to what? So solve this, drop your answer. Let's see. Yeah, the answer is -9. The answer is -9. All right, so solve this question. Let me number the questions. So this is 29, and we are at question number 30. So question number 30, and we have 30 minutes to go. Okay, remember here is 2 and not x. This is 2. So King, please give us one answer. King, give us one answer. So if you can solve this, let's know. If it's too difficult, tell me it's too difficult so that I can change. Because this is university maths, so not everybody can solve it well. That's why I prefer to do life challenge, IQ test, and all that, so that it will be easy for everybody. Okay, so let me solve this. This is f of x is equals to 5. Sorry, f of x is equals to x raised to the power 5. X raised to the power 5 plus 3x square. Okay, I should wait. King, I should wait. Let me think now. Please, as you're thinking, let me be solving so that we'll go to the next question. So f prime of x simply means the first derivative of this function. So if you differentiate here, okay, too difficult only because I'm building a rocket at the time. It's kind of difficult. Okay, fine, I won't do this again because of King asked me to do something big and he's not even solving it. So differentiate here. If you do the first derivative, you have 5x power 4 plus this will multiply this, you have 6x. If we do the second derivative, this will be this times this is 20x plus 6. All right. So this is 20x plus King, I'm not blaming you now. Sure, you're the king of mathematics. I'm not blaming you. At least your derivative is correct, but you say 20x to the power 3. Yes, King, you're correct. 20x to the power 3 is correct, but you didn't substitute. Like, then we are asked to find s prime of 2. There's 2 here. So what it means, where you see x, you replace it with 2. So we have 20 bracket 2 cube plus 6. All right. King, you're good in maths, so very good in maths. King, you're good. You see, I was right. You're very good. Seriously, you're good. So this is equals to 20 times 2 cube is 8. So this 20 times 8 plus 6. Okay. This times this is 20 times 6 will give us 160 plus 8 plus 6. So the answer is 166. Wow, King, you did good job. So if have you seen the answer to the question? So this is from derivative, it's calculus from differential equation and all that. So it's too big for challenge that is just universal. If you're having core mathematics challenge, you can bring more of it. You can even bring matrices and all that, but not in this kind of friendly match. So we put something between the hands of which where our friends can solve it comfortably. Okay, so we have something good. A plus A plus A, M plus M plus A, M plus R plus R, R plus M times A is equal to what? Let me show you. Okay, A plus A plus A is 30. M plus M plus A is 20. M plus Lima plus this is 9. And this one is equal to what? So solve this. Let's go. So solve this. This is very easy. You see, I was right. Yes, you are right. I'm not blaming you. Are right. You know, give me time. Jeez, I didn't. All right. So don't worry. Next time I'll give you excess time. So let's solve this. I don't know. This one is looking serious in my eyes. I should have done something simple. Becky 70. Good. I'm happy that you guys are solving it. Okay. Sometimes when I ask question, I feel that this question may be big. I just feel concerned. 19. All right. So sometimes I feel like this question is big. But I trust you guys. So let me solve this, okay? King, yes, King said 52. 52. See, as I was calling you King, so let me know where you are. Let me solve. So we have 3 persons, and that is 3 of you. Thank you for your support. I love you guys so much. All right, let me write it here. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys a lot. Okay. So have A plus A plus A is 3A and is equal to 30. Okay. Divide here by 3. Divide here by 3. A will cancel. We have 3 will cancel. We have A is equals to 30 divided by 3 will give us 10. So our A is 10. Okay. So go to the second part. We have M plus M plus. So that is 2M plus 10 because our A is 10 and they say is equals to 20. So 2M is equals to 20. When this plus 10 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 10. Okay, so 2M is equals to 20 minus 10 is 10 divided by 2 divided by 2. I will have our M is equals to 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so our M is 5 here. Then the last one, our M is 5. That is 5 plus R is 2R and is equal to 9. Okay. Then we have 2R is equals to 9. When this positive 5 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 5. So have 2R is equals to 4. Divide here by 2, divide here by 2. Then our R is equals to 2. Okay. R is equal to 2. Therefore, we are given R plus 2 plus M is 5 times A. A is 10. Remember, when you must apply board mass. Okay. So to apply board mass, you solve here first. So you have 2 plus 50, and that is 52. All right. Have you seen the answer? 52. King, what did you answer from day one? Wow, King, you answered 52. You did great job. All right. Have you seen the final answer? The final answer is 52. Wow, King, you did a great job. Unlucky boy. King, calm down. Your blood they hot. Calm down. So this is question number 31. So let's go to question number 32. So these are question 32. Let's go. Okay. Oh, so question 32. King, I'm going to throw you off balance now. Let me see what you can do. Chelsea, you're good in maths. King, I'm going to throw you off balance. I'm going to give you a simple question. Don't fail. Oh. Don't fail this question. It's going to be simple, but don't fail it. Prove to me that you're the king of maths with this. You have x over 10 equals to 10 over x. X is equals to what? So, King, prove that you're a great mathematician here. Last trial. Last time, then I must go study. Don't study, just sit. Bill said 0. Bill, 0. All right, answers. Let's go ahead. Bill, please calm down. Bill, choose one answer. You say 0, you say 1. Give me your final answer. Okay. So 0, 1 is still 0, 1. So Bill, give me more. King says 10. I know King is going to fail this question. More answers. King, I think you're about on the failing section. Oh. Look at this question critically as a mathematician and solve it appropriately. King, okay? So King, I'm waiting for your answer. So King have answered, Bill have answered. Becky, I hope you're still here. Please give me your answer. Okay, Bill is okay, 1. All right, noted. So 0, 1 is 1. So they are the same thing. It's okay. More answers. Now let me solve this question. This question is very cheap, but it's somehow complicated. Now let me show you. It's not equation. It's equation, oh. It's equation. If you use pen and paper and solve it, it's equation. Now you cross multiply, right? When you cross multiply, x times s to give us x square is equals to, okay, Becker said 10. Let me put Becker here. After all, it's my Becker. Okay, it says 10. All right. So this times this is x squared. This times this is 100. All right. So this is quadratic equation. This is quadratic. This is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. It's not cross cancel, it's cross multiply. Cross multiply. All right. So from here we have x squared. Now I'm going to solve it using 2 methods. We move this across the equality sign to give us minus 100 equal to 0. Okay. Now what do you do? This is x squared, and we know that 100 is equals to 10 square. So we are going to use difference of 2 squares. Difference of 2 squares. Of 2 squares. Okay. I hope you know what difference of 2 square is. Difference of 2 squares says that x square minus y square is equals to x plus y x minus y. All right. Then here our x still remain x, but our y is 10. So wherever we see y here, we replace it with 10. Okay. So we have x plus 10 bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x plus 10 is equal to 0. You know that, we know what, I was rushing, that's why. Give me another one. Okay, I'll give you another one immediately. I will have x minus 10 is equal to 0. So from here, x, when this positive crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 10. From here, when this negative crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 10. So our answer is equal to plus or minus 10. That is solution to this question. Okay, that is using the difference of 2 square. You can just solve it here by introducing the square root. If you do square root here, if you put this square root here, you know you have to include plus or minus. So this will take care of this. You have x there is equals to plus or minus 10. Any of them is okay. Yeah, you're still right in the sight of men, but in the sight of mathematics, Your answer is not correct. Okay. So question 33. You are doing great, Sha. You are doing well. You said I should give you something simple that you're going to make it good. Solve this simple question. 20 plus 60 all over 20 minus 60. Okay, is equal to what? Let me give you something simple. I will still write. I will only lose 1 mark. Oh, okay. Yeah. After all, it's one number I did not get. It's good. So solve this. Let's see. 1. Bill. I don't understand Bill. Bill, I want to know why is all your questions again like giving me 1? Is it just what you think, or you just like answering 1? -2. Okay, King said -2. King -2. All right. So we have 2 answers. Bill needs a whooping, a very serious one if I have opportunity, but I can't whoop Bill now. Bill is my own Bill. 40 over 40 is equals to 1. 40 over 40. Bill, where are you seeing 40 over 40? Where is 40 over 40 in this place? Bill, are you seeing distance? I said 20 plus 60, and you're saying 40 over 40. Okay, oh. I've taken note of your 1. In good faith, of course. So more answers, please. We have 8 persons. The question is for everybody, please. Answer, join the vibe. All right, this is a comfortable math challenge. Okay. Bill must disconnect from Wi-Fi. Beckett too. Okay. All right. Let me see. Who said okay, Bill, King said -2. Okay, and Beckett said Beckett says 2 plus 2. All right. Okay. Oh. So let me quickly solve it here. So we have the 20 plus 60 all over 20 minus 60. I don't know why I keep shifting it to one side. So this is it. All right. Okay, you say Beckett positive 20. So this is equals to 20 plus 60 is 80 all over 20 minus 60. You're subtracting a bigger number from smaller number. So it's going to give us minus. Sorry, I'm changing pen. The other one fell. All right. So please, when you divide this, 0 divide 0, 4 will divide here to give us 2, 4 will divide here to give us 1. So the answer is actually -2. So the king of maths got it right. You are challenging my 2. Bill, she just said positive 2. She not say Bill, King. She said positive 2. Or Becky, I hope you're a lady or a man. I don't even know. Becky, please identify yourself. Are you a lady or? But I think Becky is a lady's name. All right. So let's go. 16 minutes to go. I'm loving this math challenge. I wish it could last longer. Okay, let's do something simple. So let's go. This question is question number 34. Okay. Question number 34 says -2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 is equal to what? All right. I'm a guy. Wow. Oh, okay. That's nice. Okay. Beke is a guy. Jeez, Beke is my surname. My name is Bethel. Oh, okay. Wow. -8. Okay. King. -8. You are making it too easy now. Okay, it's too easy. Oh, okay. So I'm going to give you something that is a bit difficult. Not too difficult. Okay, Becky says -8. The next thing now, King will say you copied him. Becky -8. So let's go. Okay, let me just go. Let's go. Okay. So let me do 35. So let me solve. -2 -2 -2 -2 is actually -8. So there's nothing to solve there. That is the correct answer. And King and Beke, you guys are actually very correct. Bill, you are sleeping. You must catch up to me and Beke. Okay. Oh. Where is Bill? Like, we need to connect him again. Oh, Bill, please get connected immediately. So thank you for those love bubbles. Please keep them coming. All right. So let's go. Let's do this one. It's not difficult. I'm falling in love with the professor. God. Geez, this is 500 divided by 100 or divided by 10. Let's leave it there. Divided by 5. This is equal to what? Just solve this. I don't want to give it something difficult. I'm falling in love with the professor, with me. Yeah, King, Bill is falling in love with you. And that is so bad. How can you fall in love with somebody you don't know? Bill says 1. Bill, 1. King, 10. So the next person should be 100 or 500. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay, Becky. Bill, okay. Bill, you're saying 10. So Bill, you're after your number. Look at where Bill is. Bill, look at where Bill is here. So that is your space. So let me solve. Okay. So please, if you're seeing us, kindly join the challenge. It's for everybody. It's not just for Bill, King, Becky, and I. It's for all of us. At least 3 more persons have been here since. Please join the challenge. It's for everybody. So 500 divided by 10, just 1 0 will go off. We have 50 divided by 5. And on this side, 5 will divide here to become 1 and 0. So the answer is 10. So Bill and Becky, you guys are correct. Bill and Becky and King with a Bill, you guys are correct. All right. So question number 35. Question number 35. Question number 35. So you asked me to solve something difficult. So let's go. We have So you have x plus y to be equals to 20, 200. X minus y is 100. X divided by y is equals to what? So solve this. This one looks difficult. So it looks difficult, Shaba. I don't think this is a completely off topic, but I can explain to factorize cubic polynomial. There's no cubic. Where do you see King? King, where are you seeing beautiful cubic polynomial from? Can you explain? What am I seeing? I'm just seeing x plus y is equals to 200. X minus y is equals to 100. X divided by y is equal to what? X divided by y. Cubic polynomial. Where is my book? Please, cubic polynomial is when you have something like this. Let's say you have, this is complete off topic, but I can explain. Cubic polynomial is when you have like something like x raised to the power 3 plus 2x squared plus x plus even a constant here equal to 0. When you have something like this, you're talking about cubic polynomial. It's just like if you have something like this, x to the power 3 as the highest power here is cubic polynomial, then when you have x squared plus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0, then this is quadratic. This is quadratic. This is cubic polynomial. So why are you seeing something like that here? King. Which one is beautiful golden brown skin? Is that a kind of bread or what? Golden brown. I think it's description for something like bread. So Bill said the answer is 2. Bill 2. Thank God it's not 1 today. More answers. It was here, students. I'd love to leave the classroom. Why? If I was here, students, I'd have to leave the class. Bill, what is happening? Why do you want to leave the class? Just a side space. We have like 8 minutes, less than 8 minutes to go. Less than 8 minutes to go. So in 8 minutes time, we'll leave. Please, we are almost done. Thank you for watching from beginning. I appreciate that a lot. We're almost done. So let's solve it. Can I solve it now? Where is King Jane? King, are you there? So let's solve it, please. This is from simultaneous equation. Okay, this is simultaneous equation. Now to solve it, we are going to use the elimination method. Okay, we're using the elimination method. Yeah, okay. X is 15, Y is 50. So X divided by Y is what? So King, I'm waiting. Okay, King says 3. King, are you a mathematics student or engineering students? Becker 450. 450. So more answers. I'm the king of maths. I know you're the king of maths, but I want to know your level of education. What's your qualification? Tell me your qualification or your course of study. Grade 10. Really? You're doing good. You're good. So let me quickly solve it, okay? So this is from simultaneous equation. We're going to solve it using the elimination method by adding these two equations together, okay? X plus X will give us 2X plus Y minus plus Y plus minus Y is just like Y minus Y, and that is 0. So we add this, we'll get 300. We divide by 2. We divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us X. 300 divided by 2 will give us 150. All right. X is equal to 150. Okay. So the next thing is we are going to substitute X equal to 150 into any of the equation. You can substitute it here, you can substitute it here, you still get the same answer. Okay, so let's substitute it here. We have 150 minus Y is equals to 100. Minus Y is equals to 100. When this 150 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 150. Okay, minus Y is equals to 100 minus 150 give us minus 50. Then we multiply through. We multiply both sides by minus 1. Then we have Y is equals to 50. Okay. Then the question, final question says X divided by Y is equal to what? So our X, where is X? X, where are you? Our X is 150 divided by Y. Our Y is 50. So our final answer is 3. All right. So the final answer is 3. King, please leave my bill alone. What is all this? So Bill, the answer 2 is not correct. So Beke, 2 is not correct. The correct answer is 3. Yeah, Bill, 3 is correct. X is hiding. Okay, oh, X is not hiding. Yeah, actually it was hiding, but I've seen it. Oh my God. So today's class is so amazing. I love it. So this is 36 here. 36. Let's do 36. Yes, you are off by 1. All right. So 36. Let's do 36. So let's do square root of Jesus. Let's bigger square root of 8 divided by 6 over 36. So this is equal to what? Solve this. This is what Bill, you were one off from being a genius. I give up on you, King. You won't let Bill to be. All right, so this, let's see. So this will be the final answer for today. Our final question for today. So please remember, I'm on Facebook. Dr. V Maths. Please follow me here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel too. Okay. Let me bring the question up so that it will be, you can easily see it. We have square root of 8 divided by 6 over 36. Okay, so this is what we are solving. I'm also on TikTok. Dr. V Maths. Do you maths tutor house calls? Sometimes. I do take children for, I do take children for private classes, if that's what you're talking about. King says 4 root 3. Yes, if you want me to do classes for you, I'll do that. Yes, I have a chance. You want a math class? Bill, do you want a math class, or you have somebody that you want me to take for you? And Bill, you said you're watching from where? Let me go and check. Just okay, let's just tell me where you're watching from instead of going to look, because it's written so many things today. Bill, tell me where you're watching from so that, okay, this is my number, okay, plus 2 3 4 8 0 6 7 8 0. I must go study for my final, and it's my NSC. My Lord, God bless you all. All right, thank you, King. 67805905. All right, so this is my number. Plus 2348067805905. So Bill, pick this number. You can send message on WhatsApp. All right, it's my WhatsApp number. All right, just send message on WhatsApp. Then we'll talk on WhatsApp. This is A. All right, so that we can continue from there. So Beke says 5. Beke. That is it. Bill, have you noted the number, please? Take note of the number +234 8067805905. I retired at 36, aviation pilot, years old, and want to marry you. I'm married. I have kids. I'm married already. Okay. Okay, is that the chance you're talking about? Wait. You have, yes, I have a chance. Do you math tutor house calls? I'm married, please. I'm married with kids. All right. So let me solve that so that we can end the class. We have square root of 8 divided by, so I don't mind. All right. You don't mind. You want to marry somebody's wife. Bill, do you want to marry somebody's wife? Are your kids smarter than me? So I don't mind. My kids are smart by God's grace, but they are just children. So 6 we divide by 36, we have 1/6 here. Okay, this is equals to square root of 8 divided by 1/6. All right. So square root of, this is square root of 8. Like I told you, when you are dividing by fraction, you can change to multiplication and flip the fraction. 6 will come up, 4 will come down. All right, and we have 6/1, that is 6. So 8 times 6, 8 times 6. Let's start by 8 times 9. All right. 8 times 5 is 40. That is 48. Okay, that is 48. Square root of 48. And that is equals to 4√3. Wow. King, you're too much. Now, let me show you how I solved from here to 4√3. You just draw a line. You write the 48. Okay. You divide from the simplest number possible, 2. 48 divided by 2 give us 24. We divide by 2 again, we have 12. We divide by 2 again, we have 6. We divide by 2 again, we have 3. We divide by 3 and we have 1. So you pair like numbers. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so this is 16 times 3 is 48. So this is equals to root 16 times 3. So root 16 is 4. And then root 3 is remaining. That is the solution. So wow, King, you're too much. You get it next time. Bill, I was first. Let me check. Bill, you were first. Let me see. Bill, you said 11/2. 11/2 is 5.5. 5.5. So Bill, I'm not seeing any answer that look like it here. King, let's say from here. Okay. So King was first person that said 4√3. And then I saw Beckett said 5. And Bill said 11/2. Beckett said 6. Bill said 1.5. Kason said 15. And King said what he knows how to say better. You get it next time, okay? I was first, 40. Bill, 48. I was second. I'm in grade 9, okay? I'm the correct one. Oh, amazing. So please, the correct answer is 4√3. That is the correct answer, is 4√3. All right. So that is the correct answer for today. So I want to thank you guys all for your support, for supporting this live section. All right. I appreciate you guys so much. One day we'll also solve this one. This is matrix. All right. So thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay. So I'll see you people some other time. I'll see you guys some other time. I wish I had a specific time for my classes. You know, I'm having 1 or 2 challenges. By God's grace, once I'm able to finish 6, I will get back. Thank you, Bill. I love you too, Bill. Thank you so much for today, making today amazing. Thank you, Kay. Thank you so much for your good comments. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for making today worthwhile. You know, we don't need to be plenty to have an amazing time together. Today we are just few, but this few means the world to me. So thank you for making today worthwhile. I appreciate you guys a lot. So King, I'll be missing your wahala. In my place, we call it wahala, your troubles. I love you too, K. All right. So King, thank you for giving us headache today. Just help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. I have so many math questions to solve. I have plenty math questions. Just time. If time permits, all these things you're seeing here are all math questions I've written out and all that. But there's so many math questions to solve. All I need is just all these are math questions. All right. So I have as many math questions as possible. So many math questions. These are all challenges on sequence. When you say what number is next, these are challenges on sequence. I have as many questions as possible with their answers solved out so that it makes it easier for me to mark. So please, I'm asking you, subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Because subscribe today. Subscribe. Please don't go without subscribing. Oh, I shouldn't go. Okay. I would have loved to say, but I've stayed for a long time and also my battery is going down. I need to charge it. All right. Thank you. I appreciate you guys a lot. Please do me that favor of subscribing and have a lovely day. All right. Please bear with me. I have to go. Thank you for your support. I appreciate that a lot.